Newell and Eddie George here with your Maren Sanchez Home Foundation, her self-defense technique of the day from Fighting Arts Academy. In the guard is a position that is very popular in Brazilian Jiu-jitsu. Brazilian Jiu-jitsu is the #1 form of self-defense in the world. So when we start off, I want to make sure that my legs are not open. He's trying to get me, I want to wrap him around like this. This way you have good control. His hands are on the throat and he's pushing in, trying to choke. What I want to do with both my legs now is I kind of stretch, you see that right here, and I'm going to throw them up. And when I throw them up, I want to make sure that I cross my feet right here and I pinch my knees. As you can see, he's uncomfortable. Now, size doesn't really matter with something like this. Someone could be way bigger than you and you can still get them with this. Obviously, the closer in size you are, the easier it is, but it truly is a great equalizer, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. What I do right here, once I have the legs up, is I pinch my knees and I turn so the palms are down. Once the palms are down, I just lift my hips up like this, and now you can see the access point right here. He says tap because in Jiu-Jitsu, when someone taps, you let go. That means it hurts. In real life, I recommend that you break their arms. Okay, so here, I start with the closed guard. He's pushing in, choking. I throw my legs up and trap the shoulders, okay? Once I trap the shoulders, I can pinch my knees. I'm gonna turn down here and get the tap. I'm Newell with Eddie George at Fighting Arts Academy, and this is the Maren Sanchez Home Foundation for self-defense technique of the day.